Weather Service in Peachtree City has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Jones County and central Georgia, southern Jasper County and central Georgia until 5:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 4:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Juliet, or 11 miles south of Monticello, moving east at 20 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicator. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage. Lightning is occurring with this storm. Move indoors immediately. Lightning is one of nature's leading killers. Remember, if you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning. If you see wind damage, hail or flooding, wait until the storm has passed, and then call the National Weather Service toll-free at 1-866-7-634-466 or tweet us your report at NWS Atlanta.